Good afternoon, fellas. This is going to be a step-by-step process of how to diagnose a 2016 Chrysler 300 when it's refusing to crank or to start up. It came in with a collision on the full part of it. I had to fix the whole quarter panel, and after I was through with it, this car wouldn't crank up, and this is how it's sounding, or this is how it's acting, before I figured out what was the problem with it. So now I'm gonna hook my battery just to start it, so you guys know or get an idea of how it's acting up. Okay, we now have the power on. Okay, so basically the problem I was running into initially before I fixed it, and I had to reset it and share what I was able to do to get it started, is what I'm doing right now. So it wouldn't actually crank up, and kind of question myself. I drove this car in. After I was through with it, it won't start. So what could be the possible problem to it? So I said, okay, if I worked on the tank, probably there should be a tank issue, but I don't want to go through the seat to check or to diagnose the fuel pump itself. So I traced the pump relays. So there is one fuse box at the back here, and there is another one at the front. So I went ahead, popped it out, followed the instructions on the cover, and I realized the easy part was the back. So I kind of tackled it. I'm trying to figure out where is my cover. So, okay, there we go. So I looked up here, and it says 72 fuel pump relay, which is gonna be this very right. I'm gonna go ahead, disconnect my batteries, take this one out. That's the fuel pump relay. So we're going to the front, and on the front, when you look on the diagram for the fuse box, it says spare relay, spare relay, spare relay. So I just guessed, and I also asked myself, I'm gonna look for any relay that has this number 052699888, A as an apple, A as an apple, and I have like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just guessed, and I went for this very one here. I took it out and plugged it to the back. All right, so we're gonna hook our battery back, the negative to the negative. Always be careful, positive to positive. Okay, we got power in there, and let's try it one more time. So now it stayed on, and I guess our problem is solved. If you take this to the dealership, probably gonna cost you like $1,000 or more, because you have to go through a lot to get it back online. But with this, it's gonna cost my customer $200. He's just lucky for that, yeah. So pretty much, don't be in a panic when it happens. Take your time, give yourself some luck on this, and probably it's gonna work out for you. The motto is, if you don't fix it, you're gonna be driving a wreck. Actually, it took me 2 days to figure it out. I had to, not like 8 hours in a day, 8 hours in a day, but I had to make this car sit for like 2 days. So I just be, constantly trying to work with my head, work certain things out, question myself, then come and tackle the problem. So it's not like it was like an easy fix like that. Please, you have to be patient. You have to take your time to figure it out too. All right, I'm gonna leave links below where you can get the relays and how much it's gonna cost to fix this problem. So I know one is not working. I need to buy one and have it fixed. Because when you look on the dashboard, I still have some engine check light and I have some light popping up, which it's not supposed to. So I know my relay needs to be replaced fully. All right, I'm gonna leave you. I'll leave you here. Enjoy, and I hope it fixes your problem too. Bye bye.